Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which of the following would be a red flag that indicates the possibility of inventory fraud? I. The controller has assumed responsibility for approving all payments to certain vendors. 2. The controller has continuously delayed installation of a new accounts payable system, despite a corporate directive to implement it. 3. Sales commissions are not consistent with the organization's increased levels of sales. IV. Payments to certain vendors are supported by copies of receiving memos, rather than originals. Option A. I and 2 only. Option B. 2 and 3 only. Option C. I, 2, and IV only. Option D. I, 3, and IV only. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, I, 2, and IV only. Question 2. During an operational audit of a chain of pizza delivery stores, an auditor determined that cold pizzas were causing customer dissatisfaction. A review of oven calibration records for the last 6 months revealed that adjustments were made on over 40% of ovens. Based on this, the auditor, option A, has enough evidence to conclude that improperly functioning ovens are the cause. Option B needs to conduct further inquiries and reviews to determine the impact of the oven variations on the pizza temperature. Option C has enough evidence to recommend the replacement of some of the ovens. Option D must search for another cause since approximately 60% of the ovens did not require adjustment. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Needs to conduct further inquiries and reviews to determine the impact of the oven variations on the pizza temperature. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.